Okay guys, 2019 Ford F150 XLT with leather. Just put brand new tires on it today. Some nice Falcon tires. This is a clean title, clean Carfax, never damaged. Nothing's been painted on this truck at all. It is a Texas edition. FX4. Got a remote start there. Let me start it up here for you. Almost 58,000 miles on it, low miles. Looks like somebody kept it washed. Pretty clean. Heated seats, trailer package, locking diff. Does have your back power sliding glass. Power seats. Carbon fiber. All-weather floor mats. Those brand new tires there. Texas edition. Rear parking sensors there, your backup camera, spray-in bed liner.